Welcome to another YouTube video. It's your boy Bruno FX in the building. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe, share, comment on this video. So this is another new analysis update for the week. And for today we're still going to be looking at GU. I'm still going to be looking at GU for this week because I still really like the way this pair is really moving. I still really like it. So for the week I'm actually bullish. So last week I said I was going to be bearish, assuming I saw a break of this low and this low was not taken out. So instead we created a new low right here. So let me just take all this off. These are 4 hour time frame. Just take all this off from the chart. So if you watch my last video, you'll see the trades I took, and I took a trade on Friday, which was a sell, and I closed in profit. But Friday was kind of slow, so nothing much happened in the market. Nothing really. So now if you look at this structure, you see that we had a low here. This is the new low. This was the new low. The old high I was taking out, the new low. This is a possible new high. Now before I will become bearish this week, for me to be bearish this week, I have to see a break of this low, right? But I'm going to be bullish, probably seeing a quick drop, then going up. So let's take our Fibonacci 2 from this low to this high, right? So this is already at the 50%. So possibly price might come into another block around the zone. Possibly one of the zones will be seeing price reacting to another block, right? So we're going to be watchful of that. So let me just drop down to my 1 hour and see what price is doing. So eventually today I took a trade. I don't know if I'm going to show it on the screen, but let's see. But I took a trade. Probably if you go to my Instagram, you see the trade. If you don't see it in this video, you see the trade. So this was what happened today. When I came to the market, I saw the market very late. So I was like in the morning, like somewhere around 5. I checked the market, so I saw a break of this low, which confirmed, and there was an imbalance because of I'm using this is Oando, and I don't know if that, but if you look at the MT4 chart, there was a gap. There was a gap around, like this sell move was a gap. So price came to fill that gap. So when I saw the break of this low, I was like, okay, I was going to sell. So I entered the sell right here. I put my stop loss above here, which was kind of much. Then I exited. So around there. So I don't know, I would have showed you the chart, but you see it in my Instagram. Just go to my Instagram, you see my chart analysis for that trade. So now this is what I'm going to like to see before I take. So yeah, coming down onto the lower time frame, if you see we have this you see this zone here, this demand zone, and if you look pretty well, the imbalance was filled, right? So we could also come lower into this zone. Got this zone here. We could also come lower into this zone. That's another pretty zone we could, right? But this was like the sell candle was responsible for the break of structure. So but what I'll likely see is if I can see pullbacks, probably pull back, and I see a change in character, then I'll look to buy. But if I don't, I'm still going to sell this market. If I see markets coming into this zone, this is my area of buy. Sell. Sorry, this will be my area to sell. This area and this area will be a good area for me to sell from. So if I say I'm going to take them down to this demand zone here, I'm going to take them to this demand zone and see if price breaks it, or let's see, we'll see how price will react, because we have to be reactive to price and not predictive. So but I'm bullish for the week. I can see strong buys coming in this week, and if eventually price sells this week, we're also going to look to catch that. So, but if I see price coming into one of these zones, taking a sell, right? But you have to just use confirmations, because price could come up and break here. And if I see a break of this high, I would definitely like to sell. Sorry, to buy the market from that point. If it gives us a pullback, if you get what I mean, if it gives us a pullback, we'll buy the market. So that's just basically. So that's it for GU. I'm looking to buy the market this week. It's pretty looking good. I took a sell today, which made sense. So when I saw this low taking out, it was a change of character for me. So the change of character, price came out to pull back. It's pulled back into a zone, a reasonable zone. If you look at take out from Fibonacci to, you see, okay, it goes to the 61% Fibonacci level and it sold off, which I took the sell. Like I said, go to my Instagram to check it out. So that's basically for this week. For me to go bullish, I have to, or bearish, I have to see confirmations. If there are no confirmations, there are no trades, right? So that's just it for the week. Basically, nothing really much to talk about here. The market is bullish, so we're definitely supposed to be looking for buys. But like I said, there are pullbacks that happens in the market, which is what is happening right now. We have this pullback phase, so I'd like to see a confirmation. I would like to see confirmation for me to take an entry in any of these zones. I would really like to see a confirmation for me to take a buy. So without confirmations, I can't really take any trade, any buy here, because now the market is creating lower lows and lower highs. So once it takes any lower high, I'm in for a buy. So that's it for the trade, basically. So that's it. That's just it. That's just what this video is all about. And I'll also update you guys during the week on how I'm going. Just follow my Instagram. Like I said, I'll try to be posting regularly on my Instagram. So make sure you do well to like this video, subscribe, on post notifications, share this video, tell your friends about this channel. It's your boy once again, Bruno FX. Have a nice week. Have a wonderful trade for this week. Bless.